Hello, Beta. Wish you all a very good morning. How are you? I am your science teacher, S. Kiran. Welcome you all back to the another session of science online classes. Students, today we will discuss about a new topic, a new chapters. What? Plants, form and function. Plants, form and function. Students, if I ask about what is plant, what may be your answer? Number second, we will discuss many things. We will know many things in this chapter. Okay, but before proceeding, as it is, as usual, what we have to do? Just take out your textbook, notes copy, and get ready for the today class. So, students, I have said in this chapters, in this topic, we will know many things. So, let's focus what the outcomes will come through this chapter. See. First of all, in learning objectives, what is the learning objectives? Do you know what is objectives? Learning objectives. That is not objectives which we used to MCQ. Okay, and objective type questions. That is not objective. This objective is that it means what is the purpose, what is the aim. Okay, so let's focus on learning objectives. Number first, from where does a plant come? What? Throughout this chapter, we will know where does a plant come. Okay, students. Number second point, classification of plants on the growth habit. What? Number second, classification of plant on the growth habit. Okay, students. Number third, classification on the basis of life cycle. On the basis of life cycle of its classification, we will know. Okay. Number four, parts of plant and their function. It's very important. Parts of plant and their function. Okay. It means throughout this chapter we will know these all things. We must have to collect all the information regarding plants, form and function. So it's a very important questions to in front of you. What is plant? Anybody can define? Plant, simple we can say that it is a biotic component. It is a biotic component. Biotic component, it means it is a living things. Okay, it is living things. Number first. Number second, it is autotrophs. Do you know autotrophs and heterotrophs? I think you maybe listen in the earlier classes because it is already autotrophs, heterotrophs. Both are in class 4th, class 5, 5th also it has given mentioned over there. So I think if you have mentioned over here what is autotrophs, heterotrophs. So apart from it, plants considered or comes under as autotrophs. Okay. So what is autotrophs? If plants are considered under as autotrophs, then why? What is the purpose? What is the reason behind it? So, plants, I have asked what is plants. So, simply we can say that plants is a biotic component of the environment. Okay. And second thing is that it is autotrophs. Why? Because it has only, plants has only that are able or capable to prepare their food by themselves. Okay. They no need to depend on others. Okay, others will come, they will prepare the food and they will give us, then we will take. No, they are dependent on themselves. They just collect water, minerals, oxygen, carbon dioxide, sunlight, everything from nature and preparing themselves by the process of photosynthesis. So, in these plants also we will know there are many various types of plants are there, but see, in a plants, if I ask what things consist, what is the parts of the plants, many things are there. You can say that flower parts, stem parts, root parts, shoot parts. It means in root system, basically plants are divided into two systems, root system and shoot system. Root system simple, that is below of the soil or in that depth in the soil, or shoot system just above the ground. Okay, but before knowing over the parts of plants, we will collect the idea, we will know the information about number first, from where does a plant come. सबसे पहले हम जानेंगे बेटा कि आखिर ये प्लांट आया कहाँ से. रूट सिस्टम, शूट सिस्टम, फ्लावर, वर्ड, लीफ, ये सब तो बाद में आया. But before to knowing these all informations, number first we will know about from where does a plant come. सबसे पहले हम ये जानकारी लेंगे कि प्लांट आखिर आया कहां से. तो सबसे पहले जो प्लांट्स आया वो हम कह सकते हैं अ प्लांट कम्स फ्रॉम अ सीड. अ प्लांट कम्स फ्रॉम अ सीड. ये क्या है? प्लांट्स के जो प्रोडक्शन होता है ये सीड्स से हो सकता है, बट प्लांट्स की रिप्रोडक्शन जो है वो भी डिपेंड्स करते हैं। ओके, कुछ सीड्स से भी होते हैं और मैंने वेरियस वेज भी हैं जिसके कारण से जिसके थ्रू प्लांट्स की रिप्रोडक्शन हो सकता है। बट सी अ प्लांट कम्स फ्रॉम अ सीड, दिस सीड इज कवर्ड विद सीड कोट, दिस सीड इज कवर्ड विद सीड कोट विच प्रोटेक्ट द सीड। और ये फिर क्या होता है, जिस तरीके से हम अपने बॉडी पे क्लॉथ यूज करते हैं अपनी बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, सेम वे a seed contains a seed coat that protects the seed inside that. Okay, जो seed coat होता है वो seed को protect करने का help करता है। seed next one, this seed contains a baby plant inside, already that seed contains baby plant inside, it has a tiny roots towards the outer side, and outer side what is the tiny roots? Okay, root, you know root, the tiny root is termed as a radicle, and that tiny root is termed as a radicle. What? Radicle. जो बिल्कुल हल्का सा पतला सा छोटा सा जो रूट टाइप का रहता है वो बाहर में किसी सीड्स के बाहर आउटर लेयर पे, वो उसको क्या कहते हैं? रेडिकल। क्वेश्चंस जैसा आप बीन्स वगैरह देख सकते हैं, बीन्स देख सकते हो, या फिर और भी किसी अदर प्लांट्स के सीड देख सकते हैं। सी द नेक्स्ट, it has also tiny shoot towards the inner side. Now what is it? The tiny shoots towards the inner side. It means इसके पास एक tiny shoot system भी होता है, shoot भी होता है जो above the ground होता है। Okay, it should be great. Let's see next one. The tiny shoot is termed as a plumule. और जो tiny shoot system होता है उसे हम plumule कहते हैं, और जो root होता है उसे हम radicle कहते हैं। Okay students, so ये सारी informations we have collected from where does a plant come? Okay, from where does a plant come? Simple, you can say that a plant comes through a seed. Okay, and what are the informations regarding the seed? That seed just covered with the seed coat that protects, helps the seed which is inside it. Next point, that a seed contains a baby plant inside. Okay, next point, it has two roots and shoots, both parts, and that root part is termed as a radical, shoot part termed as a plumule. Okay students, so let's proceed for the next next point is that classification of plants on the growth habit. What? Classification of plants on the basis of growth habit. Let's see, the plants are classified in 5 categories. The plants are classified in 5 categories based on their growth habit, on the basis of their growth habit. Number first term is that herbs. What? Herbs. What is herbs? People know about herbs. A small plants with soft green. A small plants with soft green stem. What? Soft green stem and weak stems. And that stem is weak, not too strong. Okay? Weak stems, short in height. That height is very short, and may not have the branches. May not have branches. Basically, it is used for food, flavoring, medicine or perfume. Okay students, जो इस तरीके के पौधे होते हैं, जो हर्ब्स होता है, ये जनरल 3-4 चीजों में ज्यादा हेल्प करता है। वो इस तरीके का क्या है, या तो वो फूड्स के लिए, या फ्लेवरिंग के लिए, जिसे हम टेस्ट कह सकते हैं, या फिर आप परफ्यूम देख लो, मेडिसिन देख लो, आप तुलसी प्लांट ले लो। व्हाट इज तुलसी प्लांट? दैट इज आल्सो अ हर्ब्स। So see, as example, rice क्या है? That is food part. Maize, mint, tulsi, sunflower, it is seed. Questions. So these, what is the characters of herbs? Simple. His height is small. Okay. Second thing is that may not have the branches, and their stems are weak and short. Questions. So it is basically used for food, flavoring, perfume and medicine too. So second point is that shrubs. What is shrubs? Its height is little much larger than herbs. Shrubs height is little much larger than herbs. So medium sized plants with hard stem. Okay, its stem is hard, not hardest. Its stem is harder than herbs, which do not bend easily. जैसे हम आसानी से बेंड नहीं कर सकते हैं, Okay, but these plants have their stem branching outer near the base, और इनके जो branches होते हैं वो होते हैं stem से बाहर आते हैं. Okay, जो branches भी होते हैं stem से. उसके बाद देखिए विंग एज एग्जांपल क्या है, एज एग्जांपल लेमन, जैस्मिन, चाइना रोज, एलोवेरा, जैसे ये सारे सर्ब्स के एग्जांपल है. Okay, so now what you have to do that 10 more examples, 10 or 15 more examples that you have to collect to see the surroundings and mention the copy as homework and send back to me. Okay, students? Okay, students, see, next term is that trees. Already it was said the plants are classified in 5 categories based on their growth habit. Okay, so after shrubs, what is there? Trees. Next is trees. Tall plants with a hard and thick brown stem. Tall plants with a hard stem. Means trees, if we are talking about trees, its stems are very hard. Okay, and their length height is also very long. Very long, we can say, are called trees. It survives for many years, and its survival, if we talk about its survival, is, it means we can say 25 years, 50 years, 100 years, they survive very easily. Okay. See, as example, mango, neem, jamun, peepal, sesame, etc. These all are trees. Okay, students. It means we can simply we can say that whose shoot is very strong and broad. See, next is the climbers. What is climbers? Climb. How will you climb? Climb means चढ़ना. ओके, सपोर्ट पे, किसी के सपोर्ट पे ऊपर चढ़ना. जैसे कि हम अपने घर पे हैं, रूम में, रूम से हम छत पर चलते हैं, तो छत पर जब जाते हैं तो कैसे करते हैं? क्लाइंब करते हैं हम लोग. किसकी हेल्प से? स्टेयर की हेल्प से हम क्लाइंब करते हैं. तो सेम थिंग्स हियर, वी आर टेकिंग सपोर्ट ऑफ स्टेयर्स, सो फ्रॉम बेस टू रूफ वी आर इजीली मूविंग. See, climbers. What is climbers? Climbers, the same things are also here. It is climbing. It means climbing plants. A type of climbing plants. See, plants that take support on neighboring structures. Plants that take supports of neighboring structure. मतलब वो किसी को पकड़कर सहारा लेकर वो क्या कर रहा है बेटा? वो चल रहा है ऊपर की तरफ. ठीक है, वो क्लाइंब कर रहा है. And climb up are called climbers. ऐसे plants को हम क्या कहते हैं? Climbers कहते हैं. जैसे इसके जो स्टेम्स होते हैं, अब ये क्लाइंब कर रहा है. व्हाई इट इज क्लाइंबिंग? इफ देयर स्टेम इज टू स्ट्रांग? नो. इफ देयर स्टेम may be strong, then definitely it will not be a climbers. Then it will called as a trees. It is the main reason that its stem is too weak. इनके जो स्टेम्स होते हैं वो काफी क्या होता है? बहुत ज्यादा कमजोर होता है, वो वीक होता है. ठीक है, और यही कारण है कि वो अपने मतलब वो खुद से वो खड़े नहीं रह सकते हैं. जिन्हें इनको खड़ा होने के लिए वो क्या करना पड़ता है? सपोर्ट की जरूरत होती है. और वो सपोर्ट जो अपने नेबरिंग से कुछ भी देखते हैं, कुछ भी आसपास में होता है, तो वो उसकी हेल्प से, उसके सपोर्ट से वो क्लाइंब कर जाते हैं इजीली. ठीक है, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कैन नॉट स्टैंड इरेक्ट. व्हाट इज द एग्जांपल? आप देख सकते हो अपने सराउंडिंग्स में पी प्लांट या फिर मनी प्लांट आप देख लो, या फिर ग्रेप्स देख लो. इस तरीके की जो भी प्लांट्स है, और भी कुछ एग्जांपल्स हैं जो आपको क्या करना है, दैट यू हैव टू कलेक्ट एटलीस्ट 10 to 15 मोर एग्जांपल्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट टर्म्स वी विल नो अबाउट क्रीपर्स. व्हाट इज क्रीप? क्रीपर्स इज आल्सो द सेम थिंग्स, बट ये क्या करता है? क्रीप. इट मींस ऑन द सरफेस दे आर क्रीपिंग वाइडली. सो प्लांट्स व्हिच क्रीप ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड स्प्रेड आउट इज कॉल्ड क्रीपर्स. मतलब कहने का सेंस है कि क्लाइंबर्स तो नहीं होते, ठीक है, लेकिन इनकी जो स्टेम्स क्या होते हैं? डीप होता है, और ये सरफेस पे ही वो पूरी तरफ फैल जाता है. जितने एरिया होता है वो पूरी एरिया में फैल जाता है. ठीक है, एंड स्प्रेड आउट इज कॉल्ड क्रीपर्स. इट हैज वीक स्टेम्स एंड कैन नॉट स्टैंड. और ये खड़े नहीं हो सकते. क्यों? क्योंकि इनका जो स्टेम होता है वो काफी वीक होता है, जस्ट लाइक अ क्लाइंबर्स. देन आफ्टर अपराइट एग्जांपल आप जैसे देख लो, पंपकिन, cucumber, grapevine, watermelon, etc. And there may be many more examples. So now it's your duty as well as your responsibility. What the information have described here, have explained in this session, that you must have to listen 2 to 3 times carefully. After that there are 5 categories of the plants. Okay, That's all categories you have to collect at least 15 examples and as a homework and send back to me. Okay बेटा, तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए. बाय बाय. थैंक यू.